Hello everyone, I'm Chip Albright. For over 40 years, I've been designing, manufacturing, and testing fume hoods. I have been in thousands of labs and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Working globally, I encountered many people who didn't understand how a fume hood works. So in 2020, I wrote the popular book, Laboratory Fume Hoods Explained. I'm thrilled to announce a partnership with GD Waldner that's about to revolutionize your understanding of fume hoods and make your lab a safer place. The book, Laboratory Fume Hoods Explained, is a project I've been working on for quite a while, and the subject is something I am incredibly passionate about. Inside these pages, I meticulously covered in simple language everything you need to know about fume hoods and their safe performance. The book dives deep into fume hoods and laboratory ventilation. So whether you're a seasoned researcher or just stepping into the lab for the first time, this book will make you a safer fume hood user. This book is an in-depth exploration of one of the more vital, yet often overlooked safety devices of any lab, the fume hood. I partnered with GD Waldner, a leading name in laboratory ventilation, to bring this book to you in India. GD Waldner's commitment to safety, innovation, and education aligns perfectly with my mission to demystify the science and technology behind these essential safety devices. I've explored the inner workings of fume hoods, providing advice on their safe operation. Join us in our mission to make labs safer, one fume hood at a time. Get your copy of Laboratory Fume Hoods Explained today by contacting GD Waldner. Knowledge, after all, is the first step towards being safe while working with a fume hood. Please visit GD Waldner at the web address below to get your copy. I hope you enjoy the book and become a safer fume hood user.